Hey Wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. In today's video, I will share with you the review of this new Xiaomi MiMotion Smart Light. So this light automatically turns on if may nasense siyang gumagalaw, and it automatically turns off during daylight. If this is something that you would want to see, please keep watching. So to start this video, let me share with you a quick unboxing of the new Xiaomi MiMotion Smart Light. Basically, you have the device and then the hanging attachment, and then you have your user manual in full Chinese. Okay, so let's pop in some batteries and make sure that it's locked upright. You can use the adhesive at the back to put in the hanging attachment. And here's a quick look on what's written at the back of the box. It's written in full Chinese, so if you can understand Chinese, there wouldn't be a problem. Okay, as with all Xiaomi products, the packaging is pretty much straightforward. And so that's the product. Tapos meron siyang parang wall mount where you can put this in. By the way, this runs in 3 AA batteries. You can just put this in here. Or dito ba? Yan. You can just put this in here. Basta hindi siya tatama dun sa mga pang-lock niya. And then, twist it back. Para pwede mo na siyang isabit. For example, sa may shower or wherever, if you don't want to use the adhesive at the back. And then, it has 2 modes. So, meron siyang mas dim na mode, meron siyang mas bright na mode. We use yung mas bright na mode, pero kahit na yung mas bright na mode, it's not that really bright. Parang night light talaga siya. Don't expect this light to be something you can use for reading, because it's definitely not. This is just a motion sensing night light to help you lighten up your dark alleys sa bahay. Anyway, for a quick demo on how this would work, let me just show you the following clip. Alright, so in this video, naka-brightest mode na siya. As you can see, this is the brightest mode. Hindi siya enough for reading. And it turns on automatically if there's no other source of light. I was able to buy this online for about 480 pesos, but don't worry, since nag-open na yung Xiaomi flagship store in Trinoma, you can actually buy this for a cheaper price at 420 pesos. So it's really useful. We have about 3 of this at home. It's perfect when you put it near sa may CR para pag sa gabi, hindi mo na kailangan mangapa para sa ilaw. So you can put it on dark corridors or even sa may parking area nyo. If you want to lighten it up automatically sa gabi, ganyan. What I like about this Xiaomi MiMotion Smart Light is that it's cordless. So, you just have to peel this off. Meron siyang 3M sticker at the back. You can just peel this off and stick it to any clean surface. Tapos didikit na siya. It runs in 3 AA batteries. And the battery can last you for about a year. That's what they say. Since this device automatically detects, kung meron external daylight, this device automatically detects that and it automatically shuts this off. So if meron ibang source of light, this won't turn on. But then if it senses na it's totally pitch black, totally walang source of light, this guy automatically turns on. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you want to know more about this Xiaomi MiMotion Smart Light, don't forget to leave your comments down below and I will try to answer your questions to the best of my abilities. So, are you looking into buying this Xiaomi MiMotion Smart Light? Don't forget to leave some comments down below on why you're interested to get this. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share this on your Facebook wall. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!